Listen, I want to send a big shout out to REVANT Cosmetics. Keep me ready at all times, because you know why? They make the perfect gel eyeliners for women of my age especially. You know, we have a tendency for our eyes to water. Y'all already know I'm in that category. But these are the gel eyeliners from REVANT, which are intense colors. They are long wear, and also they're waterproof, which I was originally sent some of these and I started using them and I fell in love with these pencils, y'all. I tell you what, I'm so glad I'm on their list of folks to receive it, because I was getting low on my black and brown, and now is the time for me to pop out my green and my plum purplish color, and also this blue teal green color. Y'all, I'll put the colors down in the description box, but I want to thank them again for sending these over, because these are my go-to. You may find a link in my description box for REVANT at all times, because I swear by them. They are my go-to. Yes. Thank you, REVANT.